When I was studying in college, my classmates were telling me they were making a few $100 simply by putting their money into the stock markets. I was wondering how they could get money without even working. For example, by waiting tables or tutoring students. 10 years later, I'm more experienced in investing and financial planning. Looking back, I wish I could tell the younger self to start investing already, so that right now I have more money in my pockets. I'm glad you are here. You'll get the advice that I will give to my younger self. In this video, I will explain why it takes so long to reach your first $100,000. And I will share with you on how to invest if you don't know where to start. But before we begin, if you want to improve your financial well-being, please give me a like and subscribe to Richer Than Yesterday. I'll make finance content videos to enrich your financial knowledge. Okay, so let's get started. One sunny afternoon, you're walking outside on your way home. All of a sudden, you find a lamp on the side of the street. Yes, you guessed it right. It's the Aladdin lamp. As the story goes, you rub the side of the lamp, and Aladdin comes right out. He asks, if you were to choose between two options, one is to give you $2,000 every day for 30 days. The second is to give you $2 on the first day and double the amount every day for 30 days. Which option would you choose? Number 1 or number 2? For many, the first option is very attractive. After 10 days, you'll already get $20,000 in your hands. Not bad, right? Especially for people who have a regular 9-to-5 job, $20,000 is a big monthly income. And don't forget that this is only for 10 days. Of course, I know you want to be fair and careful. You might want to look into the second option. So let's see. With the second option, after 10 days, you only have $1,024. Thank God I didn't go for a second option, you might say. Clearly, it makes sense to choose for the first option, because with the first option, if you can get $20,000 for 10 days, then we can imagine that after 30 days, we should get a whopping $60,000. That is a lot of money to even think about. I don't know about you, but that 1 month salary can already make me very happy for the year. But things start to get interesting on the 14th day. On 14th day, you have $16,384. And next day on 15, you have $32,768. Next day on 16, you get $65,536, which already surpasses the amounts that you get if you were to choose the first option. Can you guess how much you can get at the end of the month? You'll get $1,073,741,824. It sounds pretty cool, right? But here's the thing. If you want to make money work for you, you have to start investing. Charlie Munger once said, the first 100,000 is tough, but you gotta do it. I don't care what you have to do. If it means walking away everywhere and not eating anything that wasn't purchased with the coupon, find a way to get your hands on first 100,000. After that, you can ease off the gas a little bit. Now, I'll share with you how you can do it. But before that, let's see what Warren Buffett says about investing.
I think it's the same thing that makes most sense practically all of the time. And that is to consistently buy an S&P 500 low-cost index fund.
So, the two takeaways from Warren Buffett is, first, invest in index funds such as for S&P 500. And second, buy consistently over a long period of time. You probably don't know what S&P 500 is, but you probably heard of the phrase, don't put all your eggs in one single basket. Each basket is like a company such as Apple, Google, or Coca-Cola. Investing in S&P 500 index is like investing in 500 different baskets. The good thing about investing in S&P 500 is that when one of the basket breaks, you get to keep other eggs. Then you might ask, What if all the baskets break? What we have seen is that these baskets have the ability to repair themselves. There are times when S&P 500 drops 20% or 40%, but it comes back higher after some years. On average, S&P 500 generates 10% year on year. So imagine if you start investing with $1,000 every month. It will take you 6 years and 2 months to get first $100,000. To get the second $100,000, it will take you only 3 years and 11 months. It gets shorter because this is where the compounding effect takes place. And that's all is what this video is about. If you like this video and would like to enjoy similar contents like this, please give it a like and subscribe to my channel. And start investing today, as you'll always be richer than yesterday.